Well, hello, my friends. Welcome back to the bench. Just put a nice splash screen behind me. I grabbed some of my metal builds that I've been going through. But this is just a quick announcement. Not so much an announcement, just a statement. I seem to have to do these once a year. I try to stay away from giveaways because of this problem. But I will never, with the giveaway, I will never, ever have you call a number or any of that in the comments section. If I ever contact you in the comments section that you're a winner, I'll direct you to my email, which you will click above, which is below the description. And then I will also sign my name, which is Robert. These spam computers, I don't think they know, obviously, my name. So when you see my name, and then we verify through email, and we go back and forth, I can let you know that it's me. I can verify that it's you. And then I will always show the name on screen like this. I put a John Doe here as an example. Last one was Mr. Murphy, Justin Murphy one, and it is already shipped out to him. But this is an example. I will always, the video that I give it away, I will hold your name up on the screen. If that doesn't match below, it's not me. And I'll also look for my name, Robert. And they use words, I think in this last one, like you're the victor. Who uses that? Was that AI? I don't use the word victor. I mean, what is this? 18th century? No, it's not me. I will always hold the name up like this the next day, or the day I'm going to give it away, you know. So I hate that I always have to put these videos up. It's like a waste of my time for as far as posting. It's a lot of work to get these videos shot and posted up. But there we go. If you see a name below, and it's like I said, was the victor, you know. Here it is. Justin Murphy was the winner. Looks like I spilled some paint on this. I forgot to use, but there we go. That's what I will put. I will always put your name on the screen and your name on YouTube. So if you got one of those messages in this last one, I don't know how they're finding it out. I try to scramble the word giveaway in the headline, or I'll then once we're done, I will change the headline. Like I'm going to change the headline on that video this weekend. Get anything with giveaway taken off it. But I think they even run some kind of scanning thing to see if you say the word, you know, giveaway. And I don't know how much money these scammers are making on this, but I don't charge shipping. They make you pay for shipping, and that's where they're making their money. They're getting their info from you. And stay away, all right? And one more thing before I go. Like, well, you know what? I'm organizing my metal builds. You see these? I try to get unique metal builds. Look at this Evangelion. This video is not about this. I just put these up for a nice background. But look at this beautiful Evangelion metal build. It's a little on the smaller side. I like the larger metal builds, but they don't only make so many of the bigger ones. Isn't that beautiful? All right, let's put this back in here this time. There we go. I thought that was a nice beefy box, but this one's pretty unique too. I've never seen this in a kit form, and that's the only reason I grabbed it. It's a Night Gundam. There's 2 Night Gundams. I don't even think I've ever looked at this thing. Let's see what he looks like. I don't know why I'm doing this now. Oh, he's beautiful. He is nice. Good size, actually. A little bigger than a... Anybody know the scale on these things? This looks bigger than a high grade. Let's just make you see what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Oh, I lost the sword. Sorry, buddy, I lost your sword. Hey, chrome. Right up my alley. So there you go. And he comes with a nice stand. These things aren't cheap. I kind of save up and grab a couple at a time when I can. It's the shipping that's also. You gotta find these things on a good shipping to keep these things within budget. All the different hands. So that's 3 pairs of hands. Wow, really nice. Look at that. It's opposite of what I like to do. I like to paint my stuff, but the metal builds are these good because they can take a beating. I can put them in a case, or I can put them on my desk, and not really worry about them. But yeah, I don't even know why I opened him up. I just he's sitting on the desk here. I figured let's look at them. This just came in not too long ago too. Mega Man. Any Mega Man fans out there? Look at that. I got the Mega Man models too, but I don't see the metal build Mega Mans too often. Really nice. Looks purple there, but is he blue in here? He's blue. Well, I'm bluish. Yeah. Anyway, another thing is I got a box of parts that came in from Gallery. I like to get extra parts and whatnot for my airbrushes. These are all extra needles for my my swallowtail and all nozzle sets. I always like to keep one or two in my toolbox, but I noticed they're having a massive sale, and they also introduced this square trigger, which I do like. Check this out. They introduced this replacement for the little button. I have a big finger, so I do like on there, I think it's on the Mobius, this flat trigger style. I do like this, and they must have gotten a lot of feedback that people do like it because they introduced it now as a separate add-on for the airbrush line. I'm not sure which ones it fits. The website will tell you, I guess. But the sale, before I go, I just ordered all this stuff. And I should have mentioned this before. I mentioned it once. But it's only a day and a half or so left on the sale. And yeah, there's the 98D. This is one of their top ace line. And it looks like they have a new air cap with 6 holes in it, so you can get in close. I guess the original has a solid, because I know mine has a solid front. You can't get too close. You got to take the cap off if you want to get in close. Now it's got the holes, which is cool. That's a cool add-on. And I believe here it is. Yeah. So you can also put the square trigger, which I'm holding, and added it on and add it to at least the 98, which is cool. Now let's look at the prices. Hold on, we lost it. Look at the prices. $69 from 112. And that comes with, I guess, the new trigger. Here's the Mobius with the new Spiral Mac nozzle included, $69. Here's the 3, the Mobius 3. I do like the Mobius 3 quite a bit. And that comes with the new Mac nozzle at $59. Here is the Swallowtail, my airbrush with the fan cap for $109, regularly $139 with the fan cap. Free shipping. Anything over $50 is free shipping. And when I tell you, these guys ship really, really quick. And the shipping is great. And it comes packaged good, and you get it right away. And so here it is, the Mobius. So here's the other Swallowtail. Here's the fan cap. It's 40% off. And all the parts are on sale. The waterfall spray booth, $250 from $320, free shipping. And all the parts. I says, if you guys need parts, go on there now. You can get them 40% off. That's just about half price. So yeah, I wanted to mention that because mine just came in, and I realized I didn't really let you guys know about this great sale. But I know I just opened this box up of parts, and I realized I should have said it a little sooner. But head there now, and if you need any parts or you don't have my Swallowtail yet, go grab one and grab some extra parts for it, and you'll be good to go for quite some time. I'm working with Gallery right now. It's going to take a little while, but we're going to work on a new airbrush together and a few other surprises. And before I go, I might as well pad out this video a little bit. I'm working on new colors. These are new colors in my limited edition line. This is the Copper Fire. This is the new Chroma Green. These have all sold out a few times. I put limited because I never know when the company's not going to make them for me, because these are short runs, and they told me they're not going to be doing this forever for me. But they've been good. They've been good so far. So new colors coming out will be dual blue. This is the blue sprayed over black and over white, and you're going to get that look completely different. That's why I'm going to call it dual blue. I got this purple coming out. Check that out. And this is it with some 2K on top. Whoa, look at that. And I'm going to do a carbon black. Look at this. It's like a carbon fiber black color. Black carbon, I think I'm going to call this. It's a beautiful color. I mean, there's black. And there's that beautiful smoky carbon look, like almost like lead pencil. Look at that. That's awesome for frames and whatnot. So that's going to be also in the new batch. It's going to be 3 new colors in this particular series. So there you go. And one more. I'm working on a new tricolor line with Splash. They produce my metal colors here and my anodized colors right there. I've sold a ton of these. You guys have really responded well to them, and I've gotten great feedback off of them. But we're working together with our new tricolor line. Look at these. Look at these. That's 3 colors. Well, one's a clear. It's a base, a colored clear that matches the base, and then a straight clear over the top. We call them tricolors. I'm trying to get a teal lined up here. I believe we're going to go with this for our teal. This is a dark green. Look at that. Hold on. What else did I have here? I'm trying to see what else I had. I had one more green, but I don't see it. It's off to the side. All right. But I'm trying to pick from these. I know the red for sure. I know this deep blue for sure. A light green. I want to do a dark green, so I might do this one too. I want to do this teal. It looks blue, but it's actually teal in person. Look at that. I mean, these are just beautiful, beautiful colors. We're not going to have a huge lineup. We're going to do the basics. The blue, the red, this teal, a green. We're going to do an orange, a yellow, and a purple. That's going to be the whole line. And the tricolors, they come 2 in a set to match the whole process. And then you use whatever clear you guys want to put for the top, making it 3 colors. They call it tricolor. So that's coming out. We're working on that now. We're picking colors, and we are coming up with names. And there you go. And also, where is my dual blue? Here it is, the dual blue. I forgot to show you. I put clear on top. Yeah, look at that. Another great color. So, fun colors all around. I'm busy designing these colors and trying to get some content up. I got a brand new airbrush I'll be testing in a couple days. And I got a new power sander. And then we're going to demo our new colors here on camera. Once those are ready, I might have them early next week. And then on to bigger and better things. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. This video was primarily to let you guys know, don't fall for this winner when they want you to respond at a comment below. Always look for my name, Robert, and always look for your name if you won. We'll be on camera. Printed like this, like Justin just won. And there you go. Head over to Gallery 2 and take advantage of that sale. It's one more day left, and the prices are absolutely incredible. I am going to put this square trigger on one of my airbrushes because I do love that. And there you go, guys. That's all. That's all for now. We will see you in the next video, which will be probably in a day or 2. I just wanted to put this one up quickly so you guys can don't get taken in by these scammers. Anyway, guys, God bless you all. You guys are the best. I love you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video. And, oh, there's like video. That's subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We try to do 2 videos a week. We'll do another one in a day or 2. And, yeah, thank you so much. Please subscribe. We're trying to get our numbers up. We're going to do one more big giveaway. Oh, I said the word. And that's going to be when we hit 100,000 subscribers. And then we're talking an airbrush, a compressor, a spray booth, everything. A bunch of paints. It's going to be massive. A massive giveaway once we reach that plateau. And we will make it this year. And it'll be cause for celebration, at least on my end. And anybody who wins that huge prize. Anyway, guys, have a wonderful rest of your day. We will see you in the next video.